Hi, and welcome to another episode of Filipino Time. Today, we'll be unboxing more Seiko clocks, which we got from Dom Lim, aka Watch Factory. So let's get started. Up first, we have the Seiko QHL083Y, otherwise known as the Victory Marathon Alarm Clock, except that this is the large version. So, of course, on the box, you can see the clock itself, and on the back you can see its features such as the alarm function, the stopwatch and countdown timer, the calendar, and that there's a stand included. So let's open the box, and here we see two AA batteries included and a screw so that you can mount the clock on your wall. Here it is. In all of its yellow glory. Of course, in the box we also have the papers and manuals. Now, if you want to see how big this clock is compared to the first one that we unboxed, I can show them to you side by side as I brought the mini marathon alarm clock with me. And there you have it. So the large measures at around 7 inches in length and 3 inches in width. With a thickness of almost 2 inches. While the mini, the Seiko QHL083Y LH, has a length of a little bit over 4 inches with a width of almost 2 inches and a thickness of a little bit over 1. So it essentially carries the same functions as the Seiko QHL062YLH. If you want to see the unboxing of this clock, we will pin that video down in the description below. And to give you a better comparison, I'll remove the stand. And there you have it. So as you can see, the QHL083 actually comes with a place where you can hang it, where you can mount it on a screw on the wall, so it becomes a wall clock. While the QHL062Y LH was really designed to be a desk clock. So, moving on, we will now feature an actual wall clock, the Seiko QXA791J, which I like to call as the Pepsi Diver's wall clock, as you can see through the image on the box. Let's crack it up. Now what's included is one AA battery, and of course the clock itself. Now it does come with a manual Why do I say it's the Pepsi Divers wall clock? Well, first of all, of course, it comes to the Pepsi colorway with the blue and the red. Then it has this really rugged bezel, quote unquote, that is similar to an actual Seiko diver. And then you have this black outer ring, which actually resembles a shroud such as those of the Seiko tunas. Now, to prove to you why this is actually akin to a Seiko diver's watch, I have brought my Seiko paddy turtle, and you can already begin to tell the similarities between the wall clock and the watch. So of course, first you have the Pepsi colors with the red and the blue, even all the way down to the red minute's hand. Then you have the rugged bezel, the chapter ring, and even the indices are almost similar. Now, what I really like about this wall clock is that it also comes with a textured dial. And as you can see by the sticker, it has a quiet sweep seconds hand, and even it has its own loom like an actual diver's clock. As always, the loom shots will be shown at the end of the video. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this quick episode. And if you like what you see, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon too so that you stay up to date with our latest releases. Thank you and see you next time.